We have not posted a video in a while, but this is why. Because we're trying to make our own exhaust with my dad's help. But it's almost complete, minus the fact that it needs to go up, under, and out. But it's looking pretty good. Pretty good. But we'll do windows, handles, some of the interior. And yeah, that's on today's agenda. Let's get to it. This is trash bag number 5. And I found window crank handle and door handle. We might need to freshen these up a little bit, but at least we know we have them. Upon further inspection of the door handle, this is supposed to freely move, but as you can see, it's not doing that. So we're never going to be able to open the door with it in this condition. So we're going to have to figure something out. Wow, that is really rusted. I'm going to try and use this penetrating lube-like... What would you even call this, Tom? Yeah? Okay. And see if this frees up our handles so they can actually work. I wish I was recording that. I was quite amazed because, like, I also learned I was doing it the wrong way, but no, like, they all move now. This stuff, 10 out of 10 recommend. I have to show you guys this because it's funny. There's like these panels. So this one says left, either soil or sail panel. But look at how they spell right. Wow. That's just the kind of things that we're dealing with right now, right, Tom?
Yep.
Crazy. We're looking for stuff to put the doors back together completely. But we'll get back to you. Tom found fog lights, right?
Yes, but unfortunately, when they did these, when they painted this thing, they had to knock the paint out of the bumper to get these in.
Wait, but there's no hole in the other one. For the other one.
What?
There's no hole for the right side.
That's what you think. Same thing over here.
That's what
There's
I
a hole
think.
on the left. And then the rest of the bumper was just filled in with paint and had to knock it through. So you gotta just line it up and just hit on it until it goes through.
Wow, that is risky behavior. Whoa.
Hole.
That's actually crazy.
Yep.
So maybe we do have mirror holes.
That's what I'm saying.
Because we have mirror holes like around here on the other side.
I think they're there. I think we're just gonna have to pop them through.
Or are they up here? I don't think they're up here. I think they're over here. I don't know how you're supposed to guess and check, though, without ruining the paint, but Tom's got that. He is hunched in there right now.
And they're like swimwear.
I just ran upstairs really quick. Found the door cards. Thanks. And we have some other things that we don't know. Like, that could be the back. Like, for the back behind the back seat. Wow.
Back behind the back seat.
That was great, right? But so could that be. That is probably the tire cover, but I made a joke saying it looked like it could be a toilet lid thing, but yeah. So I'm gonna clean this off with some of this just to give it some shine back. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. Just wiped those down really quick. They're looking good. I think you want to install the windows with me?
Yeah, let's do it.
We can do that. The front two? No, the rear two are already in. We need to do the front. So, let's get to it, right, Tom?
Let's do it.
It's time for your break, boyo. We get breaks.
But what the heck are these people doing to these poor little window things.
These have been thoroughly to a point of no return.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
We're still gonna use them. Maybe that's the top.
That's what I'm wondering.
Because if so, it doesn't really matter. Probably is. Well, we'll put the side ones in.
And I'm wondering if the side ones are the top ones.
What do you mean? The ones we're putting in the side for the top?
Yeah, I mean, I think
I don't think so. I
this
think
might
it's,
go the length of like pretty much the entire top of it.
yeah, I think that's the top.
Positive. I think we also need ones for the back windows, or are the back windows all set?
I'm not sure. I have not looked. We're getting there.
Tired.
Okay. We're gonna get back to it.
One eternity later.
I'm angry, but the window works.
Works quite well. We just gotta put the rest of the screws in.
I know I'm gonna drop these in the door and swear. I just know it. Like I just know it. You know what I mean?
It's okay, I'll help you. Thomas has some news for y'all as he's walking away.
Front window.
It works.
Yep.
Both of them, too. That took a little longer than it honestly should have.
Yeah,
But
there's no reason that should have taken like 5 hours, but when we looked through a lot of stuff too, and got like the interior panels trimmed, like cleaned out and everything too, but yeah, no, it should not have taken what it took.
but it's in.
And we're, yeah. Yep.
Probably gonna do, what, door cards next?
Yeah, I need to order some stuff for the handles, which reminds me to do that before we leave, so.
This is the nicest looking door card I've seen in a while. Do you agree?
Agreed.
Okay, Tom and I were examining door handles and we're like, wow, Sadie's sitting weird.
Dude, it looks like a fucking cow took a shit. Like, how does that come out of a dog?
So bad.
So which one of us is dealing with this?
We now have working door handles. You just tighten the little, grab the latch, Tom, and show them the little mechanism. See how it pulls it? And that's how the door opens. Pretty cool.
So, this has got 2 tapered bushings. We only had 1, so this guy was 3D printed. And then now we can put our shifter in.
Sweet. Now it won't be coming out when we shift. So here I am testing the carpet to see if it actually fits in the front part of the car, and we figured out that we're going to need the sound deadening part to actually be able to clip it in, but we might use carpet glue. We haven't decided yet, but I was just making sure that we had the right carpet with the right car. This is Tom and I struggling to put the little clips on for the door card, but that's going to wrap up this video. As always, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.